Crikey! Oh, got you little beauties! Get up! Crikey, mate! It's a mated pair of steel-belted radials. It's a good thing you got these out of the creek before they started to reproduce. G'day, I'm Steve the Trash Hunter. I work for the Mile High Flood District to protect our waterways. I protect them from trash and debris, big and small. It doesn't matter, it's all bad stuff, mate. One of the things that I really love to do is to make sure that trash gets back into its natural environment. That's the appropriate receptacle. Sometimes people get a little concerned about my intensity for protecting our waterways. Once, I even rescued a compact car out of the creek. Crikey! The creek's in danger! And vault! In order to be a professional trash hunter, you've also got to be extremely athletic. Hey mate, you forgot your coffee. Remember mate, when it comes to our waterways, splash, don't trash.
This public service announcement has been brought to you by the Mile High Flood District. Since 1969, the Mile High Flood District has been working to protect people, property, and our environment from the devastating impacts of extreme flooding. One of the ways that we do that is by cleaning hundreds of miles of streams on a yearly basis. All of the trash seen in this video was found where you see it. Please join us in making our communities healthier, safer, and more beautiful.